Not sure why the side-by-side's in the water, but I'm sure we'll be able to get them out. And hopefully there's not any more surprises on this trail. Before hitting the off-road trail down to the river, I wanted to make a quick stop here. There are no trails here, but some small places to camp at. We ended up just meandering around. The boulders stacked on top of each other made a pretty interesting landscape. We stumbled across this little cave that looked like a shelter for animals. Fortunately, there was none inside. I was pretty excited to learn that there is this plant that grows in Arizona. It's highly medicinal oil that I use all the time. Imagine somebody bought this land over here. I have all these videos of showing your mom what you did. Just gonna lecture you about being a bad patient.
Oh yeah. And the doctor too.
My wife is some kind of crutch ninja. She gets around on those things. It just amazes me. This is a really beautiful saguaro cactus. The skeleton is left. Oh, interesting. They say this is a very tight hole that leads to a neat little area. After squeezing through some tight rocks, it was time to head back to the car and down to the river. There was no real main obstacles on this off-roading trail, it just mainly serves as access down to the water.
Oh, he's gonna tip over. I think you're gonna have to pull him from more over here. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay. Ready? Nope, he's still tipping. Can the big guy get on the other side? If the big guy gets on the back on the other side. Ready? Turn his wheel or anything? Ready? London will go. Knock it over. Hey, it's like one more,
So on all a fun day of off-roading, get a chance to pull a side-by-side out of the river. The rest of the trail wasn't too eventful. It was just us getting back out to the main road. And that's going to be it, guys. Thanks for joining us.